Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious custard rolls from scratch. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine warm milk, a pinch of sugar, and yeast, letting it bloom for a few minutes. Then, mix in flour and salt, kneading until you have a smooth, elastic dough. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Cover it and let it rise in a warm spot until it's beautifully doubled in size. This foundational step is key for light, airy rolls. Now let's create the star of our rolls, the creamy custard filling. In a bowl, whisk together egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is smooth and pale. Gently heat your milk in a saucepan, then slowly temper it into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring until it thickens beautifully. Finish with vanilla extract and let it cool completely. With our dough risen and custard cooled, it's time for assembly. Gently punch down your dough and roll it out into a large, even rectangle on a lightly floured surface. Spread the luscious, cooled custard evenly across the entire surface of the dough, leaving a small border. Carefully roll the dough tightly into a log, starting from one long side. Then, slice the log into individual rolls, each about 1 inch thick. Our beautiful custard rolls are almost ready. Arrange your cut rolls on a baking sheet, ensuring there's a little space between each one for expansion. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are wonderfully golden brown and puffed up. While they are still warm, whisk together powdered sugar and a splash of milk to create a simple, sweet glaze. Drizzle this over your freshly baked rolls for that perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.